20 round mag. 20 round mag. Oh, man. Alright, so I got a new EDC. You already know what it is. I know y'all finna stereotype me. I don't care. So, went to the gun show yesterday. I knew what I was looking for, but if the price wasn't right, you feel me, I wasn't even gonna entertain the deal. We got a new EDC. I can actually, I can carry it, but I'm not gonna carry it because it's like on the edge of doing too much. I just can't carry it everywhere. So I'm not gonna carry it everywhere. You seen the thumbnail, my boy, and I know you're here to stereotype me, but I don't care. Forever blessed. I like the hoodie. Thank you. Got it. I got it from Burlington. We cheap around here, my boy. I got a new EDC. And yes, it is in this book bag. Don't even look like it. Don't even look like nothing in here, bro. But the book bag actually came with it. Let's open this thing up. The book bag actually came with it. And before we start this, I want y'all to comment below, what do y'all think I paid for this? Like, don't say no crazy price, because I'm not that guy, buddy. I'm not paying no crazy price for anything. I know y'all do, but me, no. So I'm finna pull this out the bag, and then I'm gonna tell y'all everything it came with. And it is brand new. We not buying nothing used that's already overhyped. So we just gonna buy it brand new. We not overpaying though, I tell you that. Oh my good lord. We just gonna take this out. We're gonna clear this thing. I don't need to show y'all that it's clear. You're gonna have to trust me, my boy. But we are gonna throw this mag back in here, because it looks good. This is the Micro Draco. I did go looking for the Mini Draco. Could not find it. Well, I found it like 2-3 times, but it was overpriced. As I told y'all before, we're not overpaying for anything. Now, this is brand new. Where's the... I got the tag somewhere. The tag right here. This did come brand new. Booyah! Now, came brand new, came clean, oiled up, you know, as any gun do. Came with the book bag. Right? Came with the book bag. Came with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 of them finger-ma-jiggers. Came with 4 mags, book bag. That's about it. 4 mags, book bag, and box. Now, one thing I do hate, these mags, I don't know if they cheap, but they don't really go in the gun. I'm pretty sure I can dremel this down just a little bit, or just break this magazine release in, because this one works perfectly fine. They just got a little bit more plastic on this, so this one don't really go in. You only hear a click, and you can, there you go. But it's hard to get out. But if I just slap that in there like I do any other mag, it won't do it. It won't stay in. Just go, but I gotta go in there, slap that thing. See, I slapped it. Okay, it stayed in. Ugh, it's hard to get out though. But with these, I could just go in there and slap that in. So the mags that come with the Micro Draco, they are trash. Let me see if any other one. Pretty sure they all the same mag gonna have it. See, no click. And I could slap it in there. It'll stay in there when I slap it in there, but this didn't seat properly all the way. And I'm not finna be fighting to get a mag in or out of this thing. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it, bro. It go in, but it's not secure. Yeah, I'm not doing it. But I already got several mags for this thing, so I really wasn't tripping. I didn't know the mags was acting like that till I got back to the crib. But yeah, this is the Micro Draco. I know y'all gonna say, "Oh, he went and got the Micro Draco because it's talked about a lot." I don't care. I could have been went and got it when it was super popular. I always wanted this gun, but it's like I waited till the time was right. I ain't gonna lie, I waited till the time was right. Now, I did get rid of the big AK. Wasn't for me. Didn't really post it on the channel. As y'all see, my last, I think it was my last range video. My last range video I did with the AK. When I got back home, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna probably get rid of this, cause I didn't really use it. Didn't really hold no value to me either. So I ended up getting rid of that, knowing I was gonna go find one of these. But I'm not gonna lie, these was harder to find than I thought. I seen a lot of Hell Pups. I seen a lot of Zastavas. I seen a lot of Mini Dracos, and they all like over a band, like well over a band. Like, why? I'm not paying that much. And I seen one of these at the pawn shop for like 14 of them things. 14 of them things. It was actually 15. It was like $14.99. Not happening, buddy. Kick rocks. But yeah, we got hella mags for this thing. And boy, go in. We got hella mags for this thing. Now, I wasn't gonna post this until I actually got a brace for it, because I'm not gonna be like one of those YNs just walking around. I don't want to be one of them. Because I actually hate watching those videos where y'all can't control this Micro Draco. Just, you feel me? Put a brace on it. Put a brace on it, buddy. I already took the, it was a little hook right there. I took that off because it was ugly and it was making too much noise for me. But I'm going to go order me a brace so I can put on there. Hopefully I can find a folding brace. But how do y'all feel about the Micro Draco? Give y'all a close up look at that. How do y'all feel about the Micro Draco? Oh my good lord. This thing is pretty. I know y'all gonna hate it, but this thing is actually pretty, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And then I got a this is my Micro ARP. Watch out. Watch out, cuz. Micro ARP, Micro Draco. I would much rather prefer the Micro Draco, because I'm telling you, everything you put through these AKs or anything that resembles the AK is gonna eat anything that you put through it, bro. Literally. I've never had a problem with like any type of AK I ever shot, any type of AK I ever owned. This is my first Draco. I don't know if I'm gonna change this out because it kind of make it look original. I know people put the Texas Shooter Supply handrail on here. I don't quad rail, whatever you call it. I know people put that on there, but I'm gonna just keep the wood on there, man. Make it look original. I don't really need all that other crap. All I really need is to change this out so it have like a Picatinny rail up there, so I can actually throw a red dot up here. Then a folding brace. My bad. A folding brace. I don't really need it to do nothing else. It's not gonna be a safe queen. I'm gonna beat the hell out of this thing for y'all. Muzzle device needs to be switched out. I know this thing bark like a pig. Yeah, I like this. I ain't even gonna cap. I like this. I like this. Rate this 1 to 10, man. Rate this 1 to 10. Now, as I told y'all before, I wasn't really gonna post this until I actually got a brace for it, or until after Christmas, because I don't know. I wanted to keep it from y'all for a minute, because I know the stereotypes coming. Oh, he got the rap video. I don't care about the rap video, bro. I don't really even listen to stuff that be saying, oh, I got the Drake this, I got the Drake that, hit you with the Drake this. I don't really care about that shit. That ain't my cup of tea. We ain't hit nobody with no Drake unless it's self-defense. So you come fucking with me, you gonna get hit with a Drake. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry to tell you, you're gonna get hit with a Drake. Now, I don't know if YouTube gonna watch this video this far, so we finna put a boob on this thing. Gonna put my boob on this thing. I don't really show y'all the boob, but 20 round mag. 20 round mag. Oh my, man. This is crazy. This is crazy work. Yeah, we're gonna have fun with this. Alright, y'all. I can't keep showing this off. YouTube don't like it, but if you're still here, like the video, subscribe to the channel if